Hello, today we will cover the second lesson from the Assyrian reading lessons book. And in the last session we learned the first 10 letters of the 22 letters in the Assyrian alphabet, and today we will do the remaining 12. Now, as I told you, the reason we did only 10, it's because we form words with these letters in order to be able to remember them. Now, the first 10 letters were Alab, Bet, Gamal, Dalat, He, Waw, Zain, Chet, Tet, Yod. And the vowel we learned was Skapa, which has the sound of A as in father. So we have A, Ba, Ga, Da, Ha, Wa, Za, Kha, Ta, Ya. To remember these, we form words. With these four is Abgad, Hawaz, Khattai or Khatti. I prefer Khattai. I will also read the exercise for you, the exercise which was on page 8, so that you will know the pronunciation. I will start from the top right hand side and read across like this. Bda, Bawa, Baza, Gba, Gda, Gaha, Gauza, Gwaya, Daba, Daiwa, Hababa, Hada, Hawa, Hauga, Wa, Wai, Zauga, Zoda, Ziada, Khata, Gda, Khaucha, Dwaya, Yaya. Once I made a mistake. I read it with the dialect of Urmia, but it doesn't matter. Maybe you noticed which word it was. So today we will do the 12 letters, which are Kaf, Lamad, Mim, Nun, Simkat, E, Pe, Sade, Qob, Resh, Shin, Tau. This is equivalent to K. Lamad is like L, Mim like M, Nun, N, S, Simkat. Now for A, I can't do it either, but it's supposed to be in the throat. In the dialect of Urmia, there's no distinction between A and Alab, so it's a bit confusing. But if you can learn to do it deep in your throat, that will be good. And this is Pe. Sade is like double S in Spanish. It's stronger than S, so it's like S, like that. Qob is also in the throat, like Chet. It's a bit further down, I think. Resh, Shin. Resh is like R, Shin is SH, and Tau is T. Now, if we place Skapa on these, so we will have Ka, La, Ma, Na, Sa, A, Pa, Sa, Qa, Ra, Sha, Ta. And the words we form with these, this is Kalman, Sapas, and Qarshat. So it's Abgad, Hawaz, Khattai, Kalman, Sapas, Qarshat. Now, some of the letters assume a different shape if they are at the end of the word. In the first 10, we didn't have any of those, so I didn't mention this. But in these, we do. So I will show you the letters that assume a different shape when they are at the end of a word. Cap takes two different shapes depending whether it connects to the letter before it or not. If it connects, then it's written like this. And if it does not connect, then it is written like this, which is like a 5, extended 5. You will see this more often because this is the second person masculine pronoun. So you will see it a lot. And because wow does not connect, so you have to use this form of cap. Now meme also assumes a different shape, which is like this. Noon also assumes a different shape at the end of the word. Now, also depending on whether it connects or not. If it connects, it's like that. If it does not connect, it's like this. For example, the pronoun we is like that because noon connects. And the pronoun you is like that because wow does not connect. And then finally we have tau, which at the end is like this. Now feminine words end with ta, so there are a lot of ta at the end. So in order to make it easier, like an abbreviation, ta is either written like that, and this is an alab which has been rotated a little bit, or it's written like this. Now this is the tav part and this is the alab part, okay? So these two are called tawallab, like one word, tawallab. Okay, now today we will learn the other vowel. I should mention that the vowel skapa is very important because a lot of words in Assyrian, maybe the majority of words end with skapa, followed by a silent alab, and that alab does not change the quality of skapa, it just remains ah. It's now the second vowel is taha, which are two dots, one above and one below the letter. And Taha has the sound of U as in up. Okay, so it's a short A. So Alab Taha A, Bet Taha Ba, Gamal Taha Ga, Dala Taha Da, Heb Taha Ha, Wab Taha Wa, Zem Taha Za, Chet Taha Ha, Det Taha Da, Yod Taha Ya, Kab Taha Ka, Lama Taha La, Mim Taha Ma, Num Taha Na, Simka Taha Sa, Eb Taha A, Peb Taha Pa, Sad Taha Sa, Qob Taha Qa, Resh Taha Ra, Shim Taha Sha, Tab Taha Ta. Now the letter following Taha is usually geminated or doubled in pronunciation. Now I will give you some examples from the book of words that are formed with Taha. Allah means God. You've heard that. And Alpa is 1,000. Batta, which is duck. Barzar'a is seed. Ganta, which is garden, and Darta is a courtyard. So as I said, the words end, many of them, with skapa. In this case, they all end with skapa, and these two end with ta which tells you what? That they are feminine nouns, okay? So if you see this, it's very useful, because then you will know that you will have to use a feminine adjective and a feminine verb with it. Okay, now that's it for today. Please don't forget to do the exercises, which start from page 12 and they end on page 16. I think this is the longest set in the book. Okay, good luck, goodbye.